Bloody close. Hey up, Pete. I've got me hobnail boots on. I've got me boots on. Steel toe cap. I am doing it a bit. So what's this then, Pete?
Sorry?
What's this? I'm just going to ask you some daft questions that I know. I know it's an old.
It's going to be a... it's usually a gas locker, but it's just ordinary locker for you.
Yeah, lovely.
Just have a lid on.
Yeah.
Put a lid on hinges and then you just store things in it.
I'll be able to do a Fred West, won't I? Hide people in there.
Yeah, the water tank will go in around about here.
Yeah. And that's what, 450?
Shorter. Well, we need to see what we can get in. For 450 you might have to have it stuck out of the cabinet.
Is that the end of the...
No, the end of your cabinet will be about here.
Right, got you. Oh yeah, because I'm having a shorter well deck.
Took a bit off it,
Yeah.
Made that a bit shorter.
Brilliant.
So, I'm hoping you well, that angle is up there, that's where your back bulkhead will be.
Yeah, okay. Let's have a wander now. So how long have you been here, Pete?
About 12 years.
Okay. Alright, John.
Under your cabin will be.
Brilliant.
And then so you'll have it to there where your lockers.
Is that 7.5 foot then from here to there?
Yeah.
7.46. Bloody hell. So where does the end of the, the outer door end roughly?
We're usually about there.
Right.
But you wanted it a bit shorter and you want a bit more standing space.
If possible, yeah.
That's the keel cooling tank, well, radiator.
Well, looking good. I've never seen that empty since I've been coming down here.
Yeah, well, we're going to do yours in there.
Right.
Then we change around. Now I've got some steel coming.
Pete, when's the next substantial you're doing, like when you put your size on?
We get roof on next week. End of next week.
Okay.
We'll see how it goes.
I need to decide on my middle winders. I'm working on my thingy at the minute.
Right.
I know I've given you the plans for the bedroom and the kitchen.
You're not changing your window positions, are you?
No.
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 So that's the plan what you gave me?
Yeah. But you haven't dealt with many people like me that don't know what they're doing, have you?
Oh,
Or keep changing their mind.
there's a lot like that. No, you're not all that bad. I've had worse than that, honestly.
I'm sure you have.
Hey?
Right, I'll let you get on then.
Looking good.
You happy with everything?
Yeah.